The newest member of the Millersburg Yard locomotive fleet, Millersburg Yard number 5, was pulling a priority freight across Charleston. It would soon make it to the newly built bridge between Charleston and Millersburg. Workers were scrambling to get the bridge ready for the train to come across. Below the bridge was a raging river. If anything would fall in this river, it would be destroyed immediately. They finally got the last piece of the track laid in, and the bridge was now ready for service. The bridge was not too strong, and it started to sway. Smaller pieces of the bridge started falling in the water. This was bound not to be good. Since no one knew about the bridge, Millersburg Yard number 5 and its train kept rolling. It was going at a very high speed, and it was also carrying precious loads, such as grain to starving children in Africa, cow meat, cardboard boxes for homeless people, oxygen for scuba divers, crates of grapes, and some giraffes that are going back to South America. It was now approaching the bridge. The bridge was now completely destroyed. And here came the engine. Everything had now fallen into the water and stuck on the bridge. The bridge was swaying wildly, getting ready to drop the freight. And then it happened. Obviously, the starving children in Africa would die. The crew did not make it out alive, sadly. Everything except the old Canadian Pacific boxcar was totaled and had to be scrapped, including the brand new SD-45.